on, Matt Kneelers. Make sure you're working hard. Make sure you're dabbing on them haters. I was supposed to say that third. But let's get through this thing.
Daughter.
Emma, are you excited?
No.
You're not excited?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your favorite word?
Pebble. Perpendicular. Moist. Apple. Chips. Despacito. Despacito. I don't know. Hippopotamosis. Vanellophobia. That word right there.
Oh, that's a big word.
I love that word. I like the word controversiamo. Oh.
Chicken butt.
Is that one word?
It's got a dash.
Hey, you know what? You know what? What, you want me to say butt or chicken? That's weird. Fructose.
Peter, you're beautiful.
I know. I got a favorite word. You ready?
Yeah.
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
Big words I do not understand.
Aqua.
Despacito.
What are we doing? Sitting here sweating, being miserable. I mean, yay, camp! Hey, Peter. Wow. I have 1,000 subscribers.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, Mom. I dropped out of high school. I'm getting my GED. I'm at camp. I love Jesus.
We have like matching dirt tattoos.
Dirt tattoos, graffiti at its finest.
Hold on.
That was such an ugly face.
My face?
Don't put that.
My face was ugly? No. I'm ugly.
How does the MVP feel?
Awkward. That's how I feel.
What did he say? Confused.
Welcome to 3T Talk Time. I am Peter Dyer, your co-host, the second banana. This is 3T. Use your mic, you retard.
He has a mic himself.
Yeah.
This is how you get views on YouTube.
Let me just
Blowing
say
up Peeps in microwave, parentheses, dangerous, parentheses.
How was the bus ride?
I didn't
Matt.
ride on the bus. I rode in a van.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was very cramped.
problem?
And it was
You don't
not
know me?
fun
You don't
at
know
all,
me?
and I did want to kill myself.
Screw this show. We're making a new show, The Adventure to Find Robbie.
Stay back. Look, there are raccoons.
Stay back. There are alligators.
There's killers, man. My buddy Jimbo got bit in the neck last week. He's a goner.
It was actually a master snake wrangler, but then
Now see, guys, when you find Robbie.
He's over there.
All right, look, shut up.
Let's act like it's not the morning. Let's also act like I haven't walked into this room yet. It's too early.
Hey guys,
So-
wait, I'll get in front of her.
Really?
Flip. Okay.
You guys gotta share it though. Can you share it?
Hey, camera.
Peter cut his lip.
On the pint?
He's totally tried that.
You are a bat. Oh no.
I know.
I can't do anything nice with you.
Hi guys.
Sorry, the floor was loud.
It's on you. Ow! I want to die.
What's your favorite color besides the main color? Like, it has to be something like fancy. Main color. Like nothing purple, orange. It can be like it has to be like a fancy color, like aqua, emerald.
Well, since I am a fan of class maroon,
Something fancy, aqua. Or
coral blue number 5. I'm thinking a aquamarine hint inside a magenta number 9.
Nope. I got it. About 15 miles off the coast of the Golden Isles blue. That is fantastic. I like emerald. Emerald is a green. I like oranges too. What's a good orange that's fancy?
Orange. Honestly, there's no sherbet. You might get pulled. You might
like
pull off
sherbet.
sherbet.
Favorite fancy color? It cannot be normal. It has to be like maroon, indigo, fancy though. Fancy. No normal colors.
My favorite color is maroon and black.
Valid. Jared, what's your favorite color? It has to be fancy though. No normal color. Maroon. Oregano. Teal. There you go.
There you
The bird. No, I'm doing an examination.
Why are you taking credit for my work?
It's his work.
Thank you.
Shall I try it?
Logan. If you could live in any movie or TV show, where'd you live?
Me? What? Oh.
Hey, watch.
Jane the Virgin! Definitely in Futurama. Paper Towns.
Here comes Honey Boo Boo.
Avatar: The Last Airbender.
Little Mermaid, because I want half my body to be a fin and swim through the ocean, and have my best friend be a crab.
Hi, Carly.
The Walking Dead, just because I would like to see how it would feel to be in a zombie apocalypse.
That's not bad.
I would go to Stars Hollow.
Riverdale. Friends.
Star Wars, because I could use the Force. The Flash. You guys see my socks?
Look, you can only do that. Jesus, that was God's decision.
Don't make any sudden moves or else he'll freak out. This is Bob.
I have a question for you, Gianna.
I think the question of the day is
Okay, there's a plane filled with 500 bricks. One brick falls out. How many bricks are left on the plane?
485.
No!
So how many?
499.
499. Okay. How do you fit an elephant into a refrigerator?
You don't.
You open the door.
Oh.
Okay. How do you fit a giraffe into the refrigerator?
You open the door.
No, you take the elephant out. Duh. King of the Jungle is having a birthday party. What animal is not there?
The dog.
I don't know.
The giraffe. He's in the refrigerator.
That is awesome.
Okay. Riley tries to cross a shark-infested river. What kills her?
Now the giraffe is in the refrigerator.
No, no, the brick from the plane. The sharks are at the party.
Did he just make that up?
No.
Pumped though.
What if it was me?
Huh?
What if it was me?
I bet it wasn't because you didn't know me when I was 5.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Are you sure?
100%. Because I remember all my friends when I was 5 because I didn't have any.
It's Powerades. It's sugared down Powerades. Yes.
So it's like for every 1 ounce of Powerade, there's 1 packet of sugar.
Yeah.
Top 10 new favorite. No, man,
No, that's my art.
What are you doing?
20 fluid ounces of Powerades.
Shake that crab Kobe.
Get fit now with a shake weight.
Stand back for a spit take.
Wait.
That will wake you up. No Let me see.
I like bananas.
Power of Jesus. That is the Holy Spirit in a bottle.
Isaac, try it.
No, you will die.
Are you done with your interview?
You done with the interview?
No.
This interview is now a vlog. Come on, Jake. We're going on an adventure.
What up, Shaka?
What's up? So how you been, Austin?
Been good. Been nice and broken. But,
Nice and broken? Oh, you mean literally?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Taylor.
Why, yes?
Are you mentally stable, Taylor?
I don't think so. We're going to learn about the giraffes. Now, it might seem like every giraffe is the same, but actually, it's the pattern in their neck that defines them. There are 8 different kinds of giraffes. There are 8 kind of different giraffes in the world. One.
You gotta keep your hands on your hips like you were doing.
One pattern is dark brown and...
Oh no, Gianna, no. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. You know the words. So rock me, mama, like the wind. Rock me, mama, like the sun comes rain.
Why? It's your camera. No.
Every girl deserves to look and feel beautiful.
It's fabulous.
It's both.
It's definitely fabulous.
It changes based off of the bottle, and I have multiple bottles, so I know.
Oh, you got all the bottles, dude.
I do.
Nice.
All the bottles.
Throw
That's Tresemme Women's Body Softener.
Throw the slogan for the camera. Come on.
Huh? The slogan for the camera?
Yeah.
Every woman deserves to look and feel beautiful. And honestly, I both look and feel beautiful.
Knock knock. What is happening?
How many broken spoons will we have by the end of this? Jack, do you want to break another spoon?
We have a funny moment here.
What are you doing? You do not take John's ice cream.
20 minutes later.
I get my own! Peter, he has more! Get one for Peter! You intentionally broke that, you sinner! There she was spoon. I just wanted ice cream. How do you feel given I gave you ice cream? Who's your least favorite person at this table? Peter Dyer. The worst person at this table.
I like ice cream. Let's don't do school and stay in drugs.
This is going on YouTube.
Great.
We asked you like one question.